In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add USD to Wise from a Mastercard account. To get started, open the Wise app or go to the Wise website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, head to the home screen and look for your USD balance. If you already have a US dollar balance set up, simply tap on it to open it. If you don't see USD yet, choose the option to add a currency and then select USD from the list. This creates the balance you'll be adding money to. After that, look for the Add or Add Money button and tap it. You'll be asked to enter the amount of USD you want to add to your Wise account. Take a moment here to make sure the amount is correct before moving on. Wise will then show you the payment methods available for your account and region, which is helpful because options can vary depending on where you're located. Next, choose card as your payment method. If you see separate options, select either debit card or credit card, depending on the type of Mastercard you're using. In some cases, you may also be asked to confirm the card network, so if prompted, choose Mastercard. Now enter your Mastercard details carefully. This includes the card number, the expiration date, and the security code on the card. It's important that the Mastercard is in your own name, or in your business's name if you're using a business account, because payments from cards that don't match the account holder can sometimes be declined. Once your card details are entered, your bank may ask you to complete a 3D secure verification step. This is a normal security check and may involve a one-time passcode or approval through your banking app. Follow the prompts to complete the verification, then return to Wise and continue to confirm the payment. Before you finalize anything, review the transaction details carefully, check the USD amount you're adding, look over the Wise fee, and confirm the final total that will be charged to your Mastercard. When everything looks right, tap Pay or the equivalent confirmation button to submit the transaction. After the payment has been processed, go back to your USD balance and confirm that the funds have been added successfully. Once the money is there, you can keep the USD in your Wise account, convert it into another currency, send it to a bank account, or use it with an eligible Wise card. And that's how to add USD to Wise from a Mastercard account.